So today we are going to be working on the last topic, which is modular arithmetic for SS1 students. Now, modular arithmetic is very simple. There's nothing really difficult there. All you just have to do is understand that your focus should be on the mode. So just the same way we were talking about a number basis that we said for base 2, we are only focusing our attention on 0 and 1. So also it is in modular arithmetic. If you have mode 2 now, for example, whatsoever we are going to be working with would be 0, 1. We cannot have 2 mode 2. We cannot have 2 mode 2. So understand that. Then that's actually the major thing. And also know that whenever you are solving modular arithmetic, you need to focus on the mode. That is the direction you will use to work on it. You understand? If you don't know the mode, everything will be so confusing to you. So like I said, focus on the mode. Know the mode that's there. Now we have mode 2 here. Now, for example, you are told to simplify. Now, for example, you are told to simplify 21 mode 5. Now you have 21 mode 5. I'm told to simplify 21 mode 5. How will you do this? Like I said, the first thing is focus on the mode. And what do you have as the mode? The mode is 5. So we are going to say 5. Start with 5 now. 5 times. You ask yourself, 5 times 1 is 5. Is 5 close to 21? No. 5 times 2 is 10. Is 10 close to 21? No. 5 times 3 is 15. Is 15 close to 21? A bit, but we can still check 5 times 4. Now let's check 5 times 4. 5 times 4 will give us 20. So we are going to just add 1 mode 5. And from what we have here, we have 5 times 4. This now is like what is very close. We are looking at it like, yes, this is close. But we focus our attention in modular arithmetic on the remainder. Our remainder is what stands as our answer. So in this case, our answer will be 1 mode 5. 1 mode 5. So 21 mode 5 is going to give us 1 mode 5. Now, for example, we have 3 mode 2. For example, we have 3 mode 2. To simplify this, what we just need to do is to write 2 first. Multiply 2 by 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Is 2 not close to 3? Yes. But there is a remainder which is 1. Mode what? 2. So we now have our answer to be 1 mode 2. Because this one here is serving as the what? Remainder. So like I said, all this matters a lot. The remainder is the one that will now serve as the remainder mode this, the remainder mode that, the remainder mode this. If for example we have minus, let's give an example, we have minus 8 mode 6, minus 8 mode 6. So what we are going to do now, you take note that whenever we have minus 8 mode 6, a question like minus 8 mode 6, you are going to test it. You will multiply, because it is going to be negative sign here, you will multiply this 6 by a negative number. Then we now add something. So let's check 6 times 1. 6 times minus 1 is going to give us minus 6. Minus 6 minus 6 minus 2 is what will give us minus 8. But is that what we want? No, we can never have a negative mode. So let's try 6 times minus 2. What will it give us? Minus 12. What are you going to add to minus 12 to give you minus 8? You add what? You add plus 4. So that means minus 8 is going to give us 6 times minus 2 plus 4 mode 6. So our answer is going to be what? 4 mode 6. So take note, whenever you are solving questions in modular arithmetic, your focus should be on the mode. And when you focus your attention on the mode, you now check what's going to be the remainder. 5 times 4, which is 5 times 4, which is 20. 20 plus 1, which is what? 21 mode 5. Now this one here will serve as the mode. That's why we have 1 mode 5. In this case, we have 2 times 1, which is 2 plus 1, which is 3. Now 1 here is going to serve as a remainder. So that's why we have 1 mode 2. 1 mod 2 in this case. Then in this case, like I said, when you have a negative sign here, when you have a negative sign, all you just need to do is to multiply the mode by a negative number. So we multiply it by -1, we have -6. The only way we can have -8 is when we minus 2 again, and this will give us -8. But we cannot have a negative answer, a negative remainder. So we will now have to try it by 6 times -2, and that gives us -12. -12 plus 4 will give us what? -8. So in this case, take note of what we have here. Now we also have another example which we are going to try together. So let's say, for example, we are given simplify 31 mod 9. 31 mod 9. Now take note that we have 9 here, so we are going to test it. 9 times 3. 9 times 1 is 9. Is 9 close to 31? No. 9 times 2 is 18. Is it close to 31? No. 9 times 3 is 27. So 27 plus 4 mod 9. And this will give us 4 mod 9. So our answer here is 4 mod 9. 4 mod 9. And we also have another example, 24 mod 7. 24 mod 7. All you just have to do is focus on the 7 here. We have 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 3 mod 7. And this will give us, our answer is going to be 3 mod 7. 3 mod 7. Then we have another one here which is 12 mod 5. 12 mod 5. For 12 mod 5. For 12 mod 5. We're also going to try something out. The 12 mod 5. So in 12 mod 5, 12 mod 5, like I said, we focus on the mode. We have 5 there, so this will give us 5 times 12, 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10, so we're going to add 2 to this mod 5, and this will give us 2 mod 5. 2 mod 5. 2 mod 5. So take note that what you have here matters a lot. You can have negative, you can have positive. You have to do with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, in the aspect of division, that's where some of us have challenges. Division has a lot of challenges. So let's just try multiplication now. Let's say we have multiplication. We have 3 times 7 mod 5, for example. 3 times 7 mod 5. Whenever you have 3 times 7 mod 5, 3 times 7 is what? 21. You just multiply it normally. 21. 21 mod 5, which is going to give you 5 times 4 plus 1 mod 5. What's 5 times 4? 20 plus 1, 21. So our answer is going to give you 1 mod 5. So let's try another question again. See if we can check more questions together. We have more questions. Let's say we have 8 times 7. So let's say 8 times 8. 8 times 8 mod. 8 times 8 mod 9. 8 times 8 will give us 64 mod 9. Now 64 will become 9 times 7, which is 63 plus 1 mod 9, and this will give us 1 mod 9. 1 mod 9. So this is it. Then a situation where we have division now. We're going to try out division questions now together. So we have some questions on that division. So we'll check our division together and see what we can get out of it. So division in modular arithmetic is not difficult. It's very simple. So if you have division, for example, we have let's check out some questions together. So for example, we have 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 mod 2. We have 3 divided by 4 mod we have okay, so we have simplify 4 divided by 2 mod 2, 3 divided by 4 mod 4, and 7 divided by 2 mod 2. So to solve division, this is how we are going to do it. 4 divided by, let's write it as like this, 4 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2 mod 2. Now the first thing is, whenever you are having division, the first thing you do is to check, this is the mode, you check 2 times 1. We're going to check 2 times 1, and we're going to check 2 times 2. We're going to check 2 times 3. So 2 times 1 is what? 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. So from what we have here, what we have already is 4 divided by 2. So we may not really need to do all this. We may not really need to write 2 times 1, 2 and all that. All you will just observe is that 4 divided by 2 normally will give us 2 mod 2. But like I said, we cannot have 2 mod 2. These 2 here will become 0 mod 2. So these 2 will serve as what? 0. So our answer in this case will be 0 mod 2. In the aspect of 4 divided by 2 now that you are seeing there, is going to give us 0 mod 2. Then in question 2, which we have 3 divided by 4. So we can just write this as 3 over 4 mod 4. Now we cannot use this method because 3 over 4 will not just go like that. So we check 4 times 1. What's 4 times 1? 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 18. Is 20. So add this 4 here to this 3. Will it be divisible by 4? No. 4 plus 3 is 7. 8 plus 3 is 11. 12 plus 3 is 15. 16 plus 3 is 19. 20 plus 3 is not working. So we can actually just change this to, let's assume now that let's take this to be 5. Let's take this to be 5. Let's take this to be 5. Yes, let's take this to be 5. Let's change this question to 5. It seems like the question is wrong. I have to formulate it. So let's take here to be 5. So now 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. No, 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. No, but 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 plus 3 is 15. So this will give us 15 over 5 mod 4. So from what we have here, 15 divided by 5 is 3 mod 4. 3 mod 4. That's our final answer. So that should be all under modular arithmetic. I hope this helps you.